Good morning, students. Today we are going to start next lesson, lesson 12th. Lesson name is PowerPoint second. Firstly, here is the topic new slide. In the last lesson, I already told you how to make a new slide. You have to click on the new slide button in the home group. Different types of the slides will come to you. You can choose anyone. After that, modifying a slide layout. The layout is a predefined format of the text which you can apply to your slide. And if you want to apply a slide layout on your slide, you have to click on the layout button in the home tab under slide groups. After that, as I told you that there are different views of the slides. For example, normal view, slideshow view, slide sorter view. Now here we are discussing about the slide sorter view. In the slide sorter view, you can perform different functions. For example, moving and selecting the group of slides. When you will click on the slide sorter view, all the slides will come to you in the small boxes on the screen, and you can select a group of the slides by using the shift or control key, and after that you can move them. And if you want to copy them, you can copy them also. After selecting them, you have to right click of the mouse. A pop-up menu will come to you and select the copy option. After that, where you want to paste it, click there and press the right click and paste. Similarly, you can delete also any one of the slide in the slide sorter view. For deleting, select that slide, press the right click of the mouse and delete option. Changing the background. If you want to change the background of the slide, you can change it. For that, you have to click on the design tab, and under that you will find a option format background. When you will click on the format background, this dialog box will come to you. You can see here standard color scheme, and this one also background dialog box. You can fill texture also, and gradient of the colors are available in it. Next concept is inserting header and footer. Header and footer. What is header and footer? Header is displayed at the top of every slide, and footer it is displayed at the bottom of the every slide. Now question is how you can display header and footer to your slide. The example of the header and footer is, for example, in your book you are looking at the bottom, the book name may be there, or the page number. The page number is also example of the footer. And how you can insert the header and footer to your slide. For inserting the header and footer, you have to click on the insert tab, and under the text group you have to click the button header and footer. After that, this dialog box will come to you. You can see on the screen. Even I will do the practical also of this one, then it will more clear to you. Next one concept, inserting file from the file. Inserting picture from the file. Suppose you are having a inbuilt picture, you have stored a picture in your computer. You can insert that picture to your presentation. For that, you have to click on the insert tab, and then picture button. A dialog box will come to you. You can choose any one picture from that dialog box and click on the insert button. Similarly, you can insert the clip art also, and the clip art button is available in the insert tab. In insert tab, click on the clip art and different clip arts will come to you. You can choose anyone to insert in your slide. If you want to insert a image from the internet, it is also possible. Open the image and right click on that image, select the option copy image, and in your slide where you want to paste it, right click and paste it. So dear students, if you have any problem, you can WhatsApp me, and as I told you that I will do the practical also of this one. Thank you.